LMMS is a freely available and open source digital audio workstation. You can get it from this site. When you open the software, it will have different windows open by default, including the song editor. The triple oscillator is the instrument on one of these tracks. Right now it is empty. By clicking on the triple oscillator, we will get the general settings dialog for this instrument. A triple oscillator is based on 3 waveforms. In the simplest case, it is the sum of 3 waves. This is shown by the word mix. For each oscillator, you can select these waveforms: sine, triangle, saw wave, square wave, Moog saw wave, exponential, noise, or user-defined wave. In the next tutorial, we will see how to create a user-defined wave. Only the first one is pure, with only one frequency. The others can be decomposed into many simple sine waves. For example, the graph shows the sine waves in a sawtooth wave. Let's say we want to duplicate this in the triple oscillator with only the first 3 frequencies. These will be the settings. We set oscillator 1 volume at 50%, we set oscillator 2 volume at 25%, 1/2 of 50%, oscillator 3 volume at 17%, which is 1/3 of 50%. For the frequency, CRS of oscillator 1 is set at 0, CRS of oscillator 2 is set at 12 semitones, double the base frequency, and CRS of oscillator 3 is set at 19 semitones, triple the base frequency. Once we have these settings, we can go to song editor and click the first bar. Then we can double click on this bar to go to the piano roll. Let's say we want to create an A4 note. The A4 note has a frequency of 440 Hz. We can change the width of this note to the entire bar, that is 4 beats. Additionally, we set the tempo at 60 beats per minute, which makes each beat last 1 second in duration. Thus the note should last 4 seconds. We can open this file in an audio editor like Audacity. The period is about 100 samples. There are 44,100 samples in a second, which is the CD standard. Thus 100 samples is 0.0022 seconds, or a frequency which is the inverse of a period of around 440 Hz. The frequency of the A4 note is 440 Hz.